Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for Java1, term 1309. This is the week 3 reflection video, so let's jump right into the questions. What API am I planning to use? I'm using, I found this API. It's the ericberg.com, and it's a list of all the baseball teams, all the Major League Baseball teams. So I'm using that. Let's walk through my code and the rubric. So, okay, so here is my package. I got all my imports. I did some arrays and strings and a spinner. I'm also using, well, this is my layout. I'm doing an account for my array, because I created an array of all the team names, and then I used it and I populated it into the spinner, and it'll display the team name, team abbreviation, like what conference they're in, their division, and the name of their stadium. So and then this is where I'm getting the from my web stuff jar. So I created the jar, and I use that to tell me whether or not there's a connection. And then in the spinner, when they select the team, it lets them know what team they select, or they can select from the 30 teams. And then I did the spinner, and then it tells them you selected blah blah blah, whatever team name, baseball team, and then adding my views, and then I set the contact for my linear layout, and then I created this method which it will get the team info from this JSON, and then it populates to a string, or turns a JSON object to a string. And then it adds it to my list for each one that I created. That's pretty much, and then I have like my file stuff, and for my file management, and then I created a basic layout. What were the other questions? How did the lessons go from this week go? Or how did the lessons from this week go? They went pretty well. I mean, this week was a little more challenging than last week, just getting all the API and the JSON stuff to work, and just the permissions. I didn't realize I needed to do 2 permissions. I didn't do the internet permission, so that took me a little bit to figure out. And then what I think of Java so far, it's a little early to tell. I don't know, I haven't really decided if I like it or not. I'm still trying to wrap my head around all the logic behind it, so I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. And then list a few things that could use more clarification. Just more on how using the logcat. It's just confusing on error reports and stuff. I have trouble reading it, so maybe on that. And then getting numbers here. I've seen other people had numbers, but I don't know quite. I've checked in preferences and stuff how to do that, but other than that, I think I'm good. I mean, my app's working, so I have it working on the phone. I'm having issues with the emulator. I couldn't get it running, so otherwise I would have demonstrated the app for you. So, alright, well, that's my video for this week. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.